Hi guys, good morning. While nang wag tambis, nakakita ko ani sa iya. Itom siya nga bunga. And it reminds me two things. First, we should accept everything from God. God allows or give good things. Let's thank Him. And also allow bad things or evil things to happen in our lives. And for that, we should pray uh, for endurance. It is just a testing of our faith, and it builds us and make us resilient. Refiner's fire, diba? The other one is I see Judas. Nagyoy isa, diba? So nagyoy mga pipila nga dili mo accept sa Ginoo, and they want to live their lives sa ilang sa gusto, diba? I make this video, or I made videos not to make me popular or to gain financially. If I do, thank you, diba? Pero my purpose is I feel obligated not to people but to God. If you're offended with my post or content, sorry. And if you're blessed, thank God, diba? Dili na ko ng follow and subscribe wala mo taana. Okay, thank you.